When you search for the best Casio G-Shock watches, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, DW 9052 series. First up is the DW 9052 series, priced at just $53.97. What caught my eye is its tough design, making it perfect for anyone who leads an active lifestyle. If you want a reliable digital watch that won't let you down, this is worth a serious look. This watch is built for durability with its shock-resistant casing, which means it can handle all the bumps and scrapes of outdoor adventures. With 200 meters of water resistance, you can take it swimming or even snorkeling without worry. The electroluminescent backlight ensures you can read the time in total darkness, which is super handy for night workouts. Plus, the precision stopwatch and countdown timer are perfect for timing your runs or workouts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With over 10,200 reviews and a solid 4.7-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its functionality and toughness. Now, some people complain about the size being a bit bulky. Here's the thing though. If you're looking for a watch that stands up to challenges, a little extra bulk is worth it for the protection it provides. This is perfect for you if you're into outdoor sports or need a dependable everyday watch. Skip this one if you prefer something more stylish for formal occasions. At this price point, it's a great value for the features it offers. Now, if the size of the DW 9052 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more refined look while still being tough. Product number 2, G-Shock GA100-1A1. Next, we have the G-Shock GA100-1A1, priced at $78.85. This one caught my attention with its sporty and rugged design, perfect for those who want to look good while staying active. If you want a watch that combines functionality with style, this is definitely worth considering. What I love about this watch is its shock and magnetic resistance, which is ideal if you're in environments with heavy electronics or if you're just generally clumsy like me. It also has 200-meter water resistance, making it suitable for swimming and even diving. The auto LED light with afterglow is a fantastic feature. It means you can quickly check the time in low-light situations without fumbling around. The GA100-1A1 has a solid 4.6-star rating from 7,400 reviews, showing that it's trusted by many users. However, some users mentioned that the display can be hard to read in direct sunlight. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly using it indoors or during the evenings, this won't be a deal breaker. This watch is perfect for you if you want something tough that can handle the elements while looking good. Skip this one if you need a watch that's easy to read in bright sunlight. For its price, it delivers excellent value with a stylish edge. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're looking for something with a classic G-Shock look. Product number 3, GA700-1BDR. Coming in at $94.95 is the men's GA700-1BDR, which offers a blend of casual and sporty vibes. What drew me in is its modern aesthetic combined with G-Shock durability, making it a versatile choice. If you're after a stylish watch that doesn't compromise on toughness, this one is worth a look. This model features a 200-meter water resistance, which is perfect for serious surface water sports. The LED light with a super illuminator means you can see the time clearly even at night. The hand shift feature is a unique touch that moves the hands out of the way for better visibility of the digital display. With a battery life of up to 5 years, it's low maintenance too. It has a good rating of 4.6 stars from 1,600 reviews, indicating decent satisfaction among users. However, a few users found the strap to be a bit stiff initially. Here's the thing, give it some time to break in, and you'll soon enjoy the comfort it offers. This watch is perfect for you if you want a casual, everyday watch that looks good and can withstand wear and tear. Skip this one if you prefer a more classic analog style. It's a solid investment for the features and design. Now, if you like the GA700 style but want something even tougher, let's check out the next model. Product number 4, GA2100-1AR. Next up is the GA2100-1AR, priced at $100.95. This watch stands out with its octagonal design and carbon-reinforced resin casing, which is both lightweight and tough. If you're looking for a unique design that still packs a punch in durability, this is a great option. This model also offers 200 meters of water resistance and is suitable for professional diving. The dual illuminator feature ensures you can read both the analog and digital displays in low light, which is fantastic for nighttime use. Plus, with its shock resistance and vibration resistance, it's made to handle anything you throw at it. Boasting a 4.6-star rating from 2,200 reviews, many users appreciate its unique look and reliability. A few individuals mention that it can feel a bit bulky. Here's the thing, if you're used to slimmer watches, it might take some getting used to, but the durability makes it worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that's not only strong, but also stylish. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional round watch. It's a solid investment for its unique aesthetics and performance. Now, if you like the idea of a unique design, but want something a bit more rugged, let's move to our final pick. Product number 5, GA700UC 5 ACR. Finally, we have the men's 700UC series, priced at $110. This watch caught my eye with its super matte finish and rugged features. If you want a watch that can handle tough conditions while looking sleek, this one is definitely worth considering. With 200 meters of water resistance and a super illuminator LED light, this model is built for the outdoors. It also includes a world time feature, which is handy for travelers, and 5 daily alarms to keep you on schedule. The hand shift feature adds convenience by moving the hands out of the way for easy reading of the digital time. This watch has a solid rating of 4.6 stars from over 10,900 reviews, indicating it's a popular choice. However, some users noted that it's a bit heavier than expected. Here's the thing. If you're looking for something lightweight, this may not be for you, but the durability and features make up for the weight. This is perfect for you if you need a watch that combines style and functionality for outdoor activities. Skip this one if you prefer something lighter. The investment is worth it for its rugged capabilities and sleek design. To wrap this up, we've covered some solid G-Shock options. The DW9052 is unbeatable for durability at an affordable price, while the GA100-1A1 balances toughness and style. The GA700-1BDR offers a modern look, and the GA2100-1AR stands out with its unique design. Finally, the GA700UC 5 ACR combines rugged features with sleek aesthetics. Each watch has its strengths, so consider what fits your lifestyle best.